Acidimetry titration. In these titrations, solutions of an acid example, hydrochloric acid and sulfuric acid is used as a titrant. This titration are used for the estimation of weak bases by titrating them against standard acid solution by using non-aqueous titration. Samples that can be estimated through acidimetry are ephedrine, adrenaline, caffeine, solvents. Protogenic solvents such as glacial acetic acid are used in this titration. Sulfuric acid, acetic acid, anhydrous hydrogen fluoride, formic acid. Protogenic solvents increase the basic strength of weak bases by donating protons. Titrant. Generally, perchloric acid, HClO4, is used as titrant. Indicator. Acetous crystal violet solution is used as indicator. There is bluish-green color at the endpoint. Alkalimetry titration. In this titration, weak acids are estimated by titrating them against standard solution of base. Samples. Acidic drugs such as nalidixic acid, fluorouracil, ethosuximide are estimated by alkalimetric titration. Solvents that are used in alkalimetry titration: pyridine, ethylene diamine, DMF, liquid ammonia, ammonia, amines, ketones, dimethylformamide. Protophilic solvents are basic in nature and have a high affinity for protons. Titrant. Generally, sodium methoxide is used. Indicator. Methanolic acid.
Joyson Classes. We provide you with valuable and up-to-date knowledge about the pharmacy education. We create entertaining yet informative videos on topics such as chemistry of drugs, biochemical reaction, and much more. Hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon and join our mission to make understanding pharmacy easier for everyone. Like, share, and comment on our videos. We look forward to hearing from you.
Joyson Classes.
The best for best.